how Shiba Inu coin will hit $1 with the help of Shibarium. Bond has a Shiba swap account. Shiba wrote on Twitter that the Shiba Inu meme coin could reach $1 because of two reasons. If the SHIB community backs the Bone token and Shibarium Layer 2 solution even more, it would be a good sign. The user at Bone Shiba described this projection by saying that every Shibarium transaction would burn Shiba Inu meme tokens and that all Layer 2 protocol transfers would be paid for with Bone tokens. Earlier, the main creator of Shiba Inu, who went by the name Satoshi Kusama on social media, said that after Shibarium is released, billions of SHIB tokens will be sent to dead-end wallets, which is another way of saying they will be burned. By reducing the amount of crypto in circulation, burning makes it more valuable. So, the price of a coin can go up quite a bit if most of its emittance is burned after breaking out of the declining triangle pattern on the daily time frame chart. As the launch of Shibarium gets closer, the Shiba Inu price forecast says that the cryptocurrency SHIB will now go through a time of consolidation. Analysts in the business world think that the price of a Shiba Inu could be $1. This is the current Shiba Inu price prediction. After breaking through the resistance level on the daily time chart, the value of the SHIB coin has been going down. For the Shiba Inu price to move back into the rebound phase on the daily chart, the support level of $0.127 must be kept. Analysts think that when the SHIB coin got support from the level, it will probably turn around at some point and go back down. Even so, it is possible to show that the sellers are to blame for a volume shift that is bigger than usual. The buyers have to do something to get the SHIB ticket back from the seller. Shiba Inu's price can turn around, but this claim can't be proven until more people buy the SHIB Cash. In spite of this, there is an above-average volume shift that is being led by sellers alone. Shiba Inu's price is selling higher than its 20-day, 50-day, 100-day, and 200-day moving averages. The rate at which SHIB are burning has gone up by more than 400%. This means that the SHIB are burning quickly. If this keeps up, the price of the SHIB cryptocurrency might hit $1 in the future. Analysts are talking about how the release of Shibarium could help the Shiba Inu price go up by $1. As the day gets closer, the Shiba army is getting more and more excited to see the Shiba coin rise the most with the release of Shibarium. Before the price of a Shiba Inu gets to $1, it has to go through a process first. Shiba Inu's present and planned improvements will help the token reach its goal. They might give the SHIB army a chance to show that it can fight on a global scale. The second and last thing the company can do to get back to $1 is to quickly and exponentially increase SHIB's burn rate. Through Kyburn.com, 410 trillion SHIB coins have already been sent to banks that can't spend them. Because of this, the rate at which SHIB coins are burned has gone up by 444.68%. Experts also talk about how the release of Shibarium might help the price of Shiba Inu get closer to $1. As the event gets closer, the SHIB army is getting more and more excited to see the greatest rally of the SHIB cryptocurrency during the launch of Shibarium. Also, technical signs point to the price of the SHIB coin going down. The SHIB army will have to wait a little longer until the price of Shiba Inu goes back up to the higher end of the price range for the stabilization phase. The main creator of Shiba Inu SHIB, Satoshi Kusama, posted an invitation to the long-awaited release of Shibarium. Along with the invite, Kusama wrote a blog post that explained everything. Kusama's blog says that Shibarium will become more than just a Layer 2 network. With the help of Shibarium, users can also start real Shiba-branded physical products. Users can also show product loyalty by buying quality-equivalent Shiba-oriented goods, which is another choice they have. Also, anyone can make their own platforms that are run by the community on their own and have nothing to do with the Shiba development team. The person who made the Shiba Inu Shiba also talks about the four main concepts of Shibarium, which are to burn, defend, help, and grow. Kusama has decided that fires will be a part of every project on Shibarium. This is a part that a lot of people have been looking forward to. Up to this point, the Shiba Inu Shibarium has had a number of problems. Due to the delays that happened during creation, the project was supposed to come out in the fourth quarter of 2022. The event will now happen at the start of 2023. The Shiba Layer 2 ND might be ready in 6 months. if not sooner. Even though Kusama's blog post invites everyone to Shibarium, it doesn't say anything about when it will open. Even so, Kusama has said that the public will be able to use the network before May 2023. Still, if the invitation is already here, the launch must be coming up soon. This week, the price of SHIB went up a lot, which is a good sign for the stock of the company. The price of the token has gone up by 8.1% in the last day and a half. This comes after a short period of regulatory worry and at a time when a lot of money is flooding into the Bitcoin market. The current boom in the market is caused by investors' reactions to changing rules. The overall value of all crypto on the global market went up by 9% and is now at $1.17 trillion over the past few weeks. The Shiba Inu burn rates have fluctuated a lot. On some days, the rate of burning is much higher than usual, and on other days, it is much lower. The community has also been against the DBS because the burn rates aren't always the same. On the other hand, everyone thought Shibarium would be the update that would change the game and make the burn rate go up. After a few days of the rate of burning going up and down, it all of a sudden went up by an amazing 435% in just 24 hours. During this time, about 23.2 million SHIBs were sent to wallets that people thought were dead. Most of the SHIB were burned in 4 different transactions. 2 of the transactions burned 5.2 million SHIB each, while the other 2 burned 1,014,400,000 SHIB each. The rise of Shiba Inu depends on a number of things, and any one of them could make or break its price in the rankings. Its price is based on a market cap of $7.7 billion, a supply of 549 trillion tokens in circulation, and a set of burns that could take years to remove tokens from circulation. All of these factors, including the removal of the next zero, are very important. But if certain conditions are met, SHIB could drop a zero and hit $0. One instead, according to calculations done by Coin Perspective, which figures out how much cryptocurrencies are worth. The study's results show that Shiba Inu could drop a zero and hit 10 cents if its market cap grows very quickly. If SHIB's market capitalization hits a peak of $58.9 billion, it can drop a zero and trade at $0.1 per share. Zach Humphreys, a well-known person in the world of cryptocurrency YouTube videos, has said that cryptocurrency's market cap must grow by 693% before SHIB can hit 10 cents. Even though the numbers may seem big, they can be reached in the cryptocurrency markets. In October 2021, Samino's market cap reached its highest point, which was $39 billion. At that point, a zero was taken away from the value. During the same time, the token's value rose to 8,616 cents, which was its all-time high. So, if Shiba wants to get to 10 cents, the first step might be for its market value to go up. But if Shiba wants to grow its market value, it will need to bring in another group of first-time investors, just like it did in 2021. The markets have to